Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Kesangi samla puli khasi student union Shillong Ming Circle. Dagajing ngok kya ki Khynnah mentagasngi kala photrik ursaw arajar phosau. Kala pelong yiga Jingpynshai tho yiki Khynnah haga community hall nomen song. Keriga Jingpynshai tho daga KSU yiki Khynnah kalong Halor ki lai tikiman bakin thom yaga Shong Khynnah barga Jingpep Skul ba Shiteng por yiki Khynnah baga jingsne jong drug. Yaga Jingpynshai tho aloka Shong Khynnah la yoga Jingpynshai no samla James mau phnyang ubre illegal affairs jong sang KSU sangkame. Halor Jingpep Skul Shiteng por ki Khynnah la Jingpynshai ro samla Shining Star Khadbi Kyo ubri environmental secretary ka KSU sangkme bar halor jingsne na udrok bagi jing di pen buat la yo ka Jingpynshai no deep gurung ubri coordinator Charles Friendly.
Before we start, drugs, we usually say that cigarette is the gateway drug. Means if you smoke, high chances is there that you will start even drugs. Very high chances. So that's why you should stay away. Alright. Now, I do not want to give you too much lecture on drugs, but I want you to stay away from all these bad things. Now, why do children fall into drugs? Or why do young people fall into drugs? So I want even the parents also to please pay attention to this, because this is very important. Why do children fall into drugs? Alright. So something maybe my friend here Jennifer will explain. So first thing is peer pressure. You understand what is peer pressure? Yes, very nice. What is peer pressure? Peer pressure P long long. See no long. Anything else? Anything else? When we say peer pressure, so peer pressure is not only from Jabbar. Many times when we see our friends, supposedly I am smoking, I will tell my friends also, smoke no, it's okay. This is very nice, smoke, you will feel relaxed. That is peer pressure. But also, many times what happens is, supposedly there are 5 friends. From 5 friends, 4 of them are smoking or taking gudka or anything bad. Then one guy is not taking, one boy is not taking, right? One boy is not taking, So that boy, maybe that 4 is not forcing, But that boy, one day he will not smoke, 2 days he will not smoke, maybe 1 month also he will not smoke. But after 1 year he may smoke. Why? Because he wants to be friends with this group. That is why you should try to help, like one of our Bak also said, we have to help other children who are taking, right? That's why if you are that one person who is not taking substance, you should help your friends, 4 of them, to leave. And if your friends are not leaving, then you have to leave that group. Even if they are your best friends, you have to leave that group. That is the only solution. Alright, otherwise you will fall into drugs. So that is one reason why children like you all fall into drugs. So you have Instagram. How many of you use Instagram? No one. Yes, so we have one of our friends, 2, no one, boys? So now the hands are coming up. You are easily affected and influenced. Alright. You will see some people having 10,000 followers. Right? 10,000 followers. You will see, so many followers. What this person is doing. You see that person is going somewhere, doing party, or roaming, wearing nice clothes and roaming around and, doing wrong things. Automatically you also want to follow, no? Yes, so that is why you should stay away from wrong things. I'm not saying social media is bad, If you know how to use Instagram, Facebook or YouTube properly, if you know how to use it. Supposedly, when I was young, when I was your age, We don't have Facebook and all that, no? But we have Google. So if I have some problem in my maths, or I don't know how to solve some problem, so I would go to Google and I would search that question and I get the answer. Okay. Sometimes I do some things also like searching something. Okay, who is Sachin Tendulkar? Okay, all these things. But you can use it either in good way or bad way. It is in your hand. Okay. And also, please do not try to copy. Okay. Do not try to copy others. Okay. If I think that I am Salman Khan, do you think I can become Salman Khan? No, right? If you think that you are Justin Bieber, boy, you can become Justin Bieber? No, right? And for girls, I do not know who, Miley Cyrus. You cannot become, right? That is why do not copy. Everything which is there in social media, it is not true. Okay? It is not true. Alright? What is the skin color of my skin? Brown, right? If you go to my Instagram, I am fair like current. Okay, means what I want to say is everything is not real in Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media. So please do not get influenced. If you see young people, driving good cars, smoking, or doing substance, okay, that doesn't mean their life is cool. All right. So you should not get influenced by social media. Okay, that is another thing.
I'm going on my feet. You're going to get things I do. Today, about control, one of them not having me, which wants to. I'm not an obio. You get it. You should be a bit too. Wait for a bit. You're for it. Bit to go. The way I'm not. Lao. Come around to the Tagada. In when no, Yagane, getting Ujing Taito, another surrounding getting the Tuber. In when my number, Nila, but the Lammy is given to me, Sagating the dog. Tagada, a Jingpynshai Shiteng come day, and a thousand may pass of people. A Jingpynshai Shiteng some fee come day, and a thousand 8 months at that. Jingpynshai Shiteng come day, and a thousand school, and they later about some no resume. A Jingpynshai Shiteng some Khynnah when you come to me, a day, Jingpynshai. Bahan, Kumalakaran, the Iba, Jim Masma, long step on the school. The class that you some new block of Matamaka. The class that you Sashi Arajan Ikun, Matamaka. Our economy of school. He did not school. Upon school, you don't make a hop on your law, you don't make a hop on your food. They don't let you have a food, you can't double jump at school. Jadi kalau kita terus balik away kita kata mereka say kata penduk itu dia kata jadi boleh jadi nak kata yo jadi nak atrai bagian atrai kapai antara ni seperti dia jadi jadi duk nom barang ini orang kan kong duk hijau dulu ya keren ada ni apa sensam lama malang ada sensam nasional ada VDP ada PSU ni semua tak keren. Itu pasal bangku kita mesti jadi ini kumpulan yang kumpulan. Mereka apa buat sama? Dengan ni, buat sama dan hamlai tu dengan ni. Mentara apa di sama kan? Insya ikan juga sama dan terus dan itu. Asal senin satu artulah asal arusan senin. Kita di buat sama. Kita sama tu. Asal senin sama, hari senin lagi pun juga. Ini juga yang kita sama tak tu. Apa tu hari tu? Asal senin. Dari lima tu satu, baru orang dia pada jilam sama lagi jilam bawa sana, yo tek digrik, kawan, sangat mundur objek, denum deh. Keren batu mundur dari objek, malah keren bat kombi, malah keren komden, malah keren bat aden, malah keren bat batu, denum deh. Batu deh, mundur bat deh. Dari lima tu tujuh meter, asal senin, Islam batong bat di sama, Andreus dapat, gila, denum. Denum, Malay pun dan orang baru, tak benar Malay pun. Kita tahu, kata pada kita jangan junjung kasihnya. Bagi melaju pun kan kita ini cimpul lagi junjung. Apa yo kan yo lok nak orang bentuk lu cinta, cinta di kebor dan cinta. Kalau tak kebor dan ini, gun cuma gun jupi bagi ini, pun nak kamu nasu ke cinta, start kamu nasu kebor dan denum deh. Ibuat apa si mereka ini aku presiden. Bagi semua ini kerja, itu ada di kursi cuma cuci lagi, pun saya sih bagi long doktor, kita bisa kuat. Kita di buat naik kursi cuci, Henry Lumi ay matiki ya kata kecing nak start mentor di pohon kawasan kalangan sosial kan dari rumah apa dari kita ke bormet cuma nampak lain ha mak kurim cuma kawa kan Muslim tempat lain baru bormet ini ke bor tempat cuma ini yo pun ada yo pun ini ke pun itu dibuka hat se ngelakon jingna ke bormet ini ke vitamin selo ini kata mana ini gimana apa yang makan di Indonesia? Apa ni kau baca kerja ini? Itu apa kerja? Berdua baca kerja berdua. Kampam hakam di exam untuk sago ber. Ini rumah ni kau kata. Apa kau baru kini kan main boss ya kan? Kerja ini rumah ni kau kata apa lomba? Ni yo yang kita kun di baklan jadi sini seperti ni yo yang kita kun di baklan di warmet kamar ban ni Shong kuat kompeten. Dan soal nak tunong lupa insa incar ni apa sah itu minggu nomor berapa? Ni Shong korubia.
Kecil Shong Khynnah ngam jeliu puson rengkat berkini kilai teli kiman hagaba lapala nadu kulong kuma habang ukun berriu uwan berlong berriu babandon hagane kesla perte hapdeng kejinglong samla Bat hapdeng kejinglong Khynnah Khynnah Skul ngiru ngidei ilayan kimba kata kejeli lane kata kejeli kaba mapi pilayan haswa ngilong kumneru ilayan chwa naga jinglong kelung jaga jinglong Khynnah jaga jinglong samla Khynnah samla rangpa jinglong bat jaga jinglong temen kumta teter bat sedu bat poi Jagoi pembentan ang kanyang setelah bertay. Kita kadai gajing long jingmat, bat gajing em jong beriu. Hagapor barang kelung, iyo gajing ikai gajing peneliti. Lagi kimi kipa, bat naki bahi pasem. Baginya hakang ti kita kabadai. Bat kumta habang sedang menlong kita disamla Khynnah. Tekeng lakum saila. Bat lakum yat bakla. Bat Henry haba Ngiyai pelong pat ban kongu habreng kijing baklah kelenti. Ya kikimi kipa kapelong pat iki bagi ikai banyok cengkai babaha bagi niat halti kabadai. Bat kolong kumju hakaba hakane kapor. Gidon hangne kikimi kipa kinoi kai beit bat kumju. Ya kini kisamla pule tadi Khynnah Skul. Kei kabang amut banora bat palang kolong ba kumbang alona tempat garung ada uwe ni Khynnah Skul hakabangi lehat nanti kum kita di Khynnah Skul hakabangi hap banyak jing bekala ki pebun gila ban haprek gajing songsit Khynnah gila ban le ki bekala gajing jengi hari kum umreu ngem dei ban sip ya kita gajing ban kita sinya bekala gajing jengi bagan dei gajing kurlat kamtam hakapor bagi nak pule Yesu kuba ladon ba ino kusta pa nak mat dara kum dipiri sak bom no hikai lane dara gimle hambok sak mai hanre itu kiai baro kilong kita gijingkai ki babha bagila basisit kesngi insalong long breu man breu haga jingim jingi haga nega sla pertei namar bagile keno kakam kemut ba abangi pule bha Nidon yang kita ke expectation lane ke jimut ke jing pakat jingi bagi dia ke babha hadin habut bat lasai lasiski bat bante khamha yang kalong renjeng lagade hikap kijam lagade kalong yang longsam kata kalong pakente hakal ti ke babha ka sarkar India kalebu yang kata mathakbun kata kalong khat prasnam yang ikithai bang yaki senrang agapa kumju ya kaan macokha choman ru ibu kalong ba kaganthai kala ban sukha sapras dem seneng ba usenrang apwes dem seneng kumbalong na ki perlok pamane ki bakran sikmat kalong ba lapi piak laj lane dipetken yang ta kaan idon ya kaan surkar Rekaan surkar India kata kepok soak hakaba video Jingpynshai babun bak baharukom apo ketuka para semula kami kedeki kena skul subhabatnya pelik jengmut lang sipor hakaba pelak bentuk kamha batkan yang rap epi bantai yang kecingim ke bawah balai ini orang kedeki Shong kena kata sya yang kena ladai kena Shiteng jingkrau ila banyo nadu nalaying lasem ila banyo naki skul lepa kinoikai banyo ru naki behe pasar nama kene gaji Shong kena kata haduk kata nama kata ya kabon berkat bat kabon jebik kata kelong ke badikong hagaba hagerta teng wat kabon met kampan sutu harai kabon jebik ga apoy kabon jebik hagaba yang berkat ya lagi kesem lara berkat tang morwe teng hapan nai pe support polka ai email la dom ban ai pa ban thit ga juti ga bapikwa pila dom ban pila le poi ban thit sem la pun tep su di kamera haji kesem Henry ke epat kata ke terpek ke wakia ke juti dihapat ban sim sa plus 1 ila banong lada ikan thai hap ban hap de Shong kha no lada ban Shong kurim no bat iwe breu bat utau breu hap ban sim ban Shong kurim no sa iwe kita ikan thai la ban de samla kalong ke pakta hadu kata-kata hakabon berkat ke juti namar tum kita kusang apni apni ram ai email tai impeachment pidom email bat pidom pa kan no samle Pihak berkit tak plus 1 nalor ketaru hapre gejek 3 jupi kalak berkata ya kata berkat jupi namar belai kapala kasih ruperla tetapi berkat pat ya kini kesemle kalau berkata adu kata-kata ya kebon jebi ke jupi bat kene kepelong bat senjor kata kalau yang kalong sem bat senjor kata gajing long arut kejupi bat kene kata pat hadin habut yagi kesem bat wadya ikun dikti hadin habut tak kedau dan bah balada ikwa ban Shongkha dan bahai kata kibala kaphe bat kibala sutu om bahapok kat prasdem namar kata hadung tak namar kebor berkat kebor jebing tengla berkat kumno berkat pat ekiwe namar hadin habut dan pilayo saya lagi kun dikti kumno pat on penbiang eki ketaro kendai ke jike ke bakrau jaga ye kesem ke jengpi lai luk sai bi apne ke jingpala dibela ke si ke jengpi kalak pendesan sepak nikah dalor belasan la ahi kesem pat poi mantap itu pun bah patau iki kesem kemai ke jengpi kan bhai pi memperkat Hawa kumno bangat sakita dibaying baisem bangat sakita dibai kau bangat sedue dibai bai tangkatau keketa pa ya gajimut jingperkat jongku neka kakentei bat jongmu senran kene bat lak berketa gajimut jingperkat spi tangkatau kepelong ban senjor ban bunsin tang sipor kata kalau ing long sem ihap ban ya klat no lane hap ban banom ya Shong lang rekat berhap lipai salagi kisem jogi kimi kikpa bahaba kadu modo berkit ikjin janjar indai kimi kikpa bat ihap berkit ban ba alut nadong syadong modo basala nekong sala ikun sala ikun re ba kadu hap kit kimi kikpa